Hi, my name is Justice Constantine. Welcome to Boom Boom Tap. Today I'll be teaching you how to play this beginner level drum beat with and without a drum set.
We got this beat today, praising God with our feet and sway. Praise to thee, sanctity, the cymbal brass, the trumpet blast, breathe that will last.
So everything I'm teaching right now is geared towards drummers who are right-handed. If you're left-handed, just switch everything I say. If I say right foot, use your left foot. If I say right hand, use your left hand, and vice versa. So in this song, we count to number 4. We just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to tap along with our right foot while counting 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. So now what we're going to do is we're going to do the right hand and the right foot at the same time and count 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is what it is, just playing with the palm on your knee without a drum set. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. So next we're going to be focusing on the left hand, which would be playing the snare part. For this drum beat, the left hand only plays on the beats 2 and 4. So let's go ahead and play with the left hand on beats 2 and 4 with the music. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Now what we want to do is we want to put all three of those things together. Hands and tapping the foot. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Thank you for watching this video. If you have a drum set, in the next video I'm going to be showing how to apply what you learned in this video with your hands and with your feet onto a drum set. Please like, subscribe, and press the alert button so you'll be notified when I post the next video. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.